Uh, I hope you all started doing your electronics lab and you would have finished it. I think. Did you find any difficulties as far as doing the labs or I mean doing this experiments is concerned? Electronics is basically easy one, like Zener diode. If you walk through, like you had Zener diode concepts and op amp. Op amp basically it's a kind of an operational amplifier IC741, which I will try to put an video in that Google class. Okay, we'll try to do that. Logic gates is very simple. See what we normally they do is like see you would have seen the truth table and block diagram. I think we started our discussion very well, starting itself with logic gates before there was a change. So what they do is yes, exactly. So logic gates basically you are going to have is your IC chips. IC chips, IC 7400 7401, like that. There are IC logic gates are there, chips are there, where you are going to give your through wires. You are going to give your inputs, some small wires, and you are going to press on the switches. The zeros and ones are basically your switches, and the LED output is going to be your output. That is your 0 or 1. If it is high, means it is going to be your the light is going to glow. 0 means it's not going to glow. So I will try to upload that also. There is something called virtual labs also. Have you heard of it? Have you heard of it? Virtual labs. Yeah, IIT virtual labs is nothing but where you can have a feel of your all the labs. I will try again. I will uploaded that thing. So from an electronics point of view, they're all very basic experiments, simple experiments only. Looking into the videos itself, I will upload that. So as far as writing record is concerned, I mean writing your experiment is concerned, there is no any issues, correct? I hope so. So far, yes. See, actually, what happened was the real thing why it all happened is because of the various difficulties like your classmates and friends felt. So that is why we had a discussion and and finally we could come to a conclusion like okay, let us give the students the flexibility with regard to presenting the record in a manner that they like. Okay, another we had to take care of that. Fine. Yeah, questions, please go ahead. Mm-hmm. ஆமா அது வந்து that was the time which when everything was okay or when it was okay. Yeah. No. You just have to write the experiments in the whatever paper, take a screenshot, convert it to PDF, and you have to post it in Google Class. And because why we are doing this? Because no, not so required now. At the present juncture, it is not. They are not mentioned it. So why unnecessarily committing on that? And then the real objective in what is that is once hopefully if the things get okay means you keep the copy of entire experiments. Once you're coming back to the in a college or university means you take a printout of all these experiments and you have to spiral it. That's what our instruction was conveyed to us. You understood? No, that note itself, you take a screenshot of that note and present it in PDF. Okay. See, once you hopefully once this everything gets over and when you are coming back to our college means you will have the copy of all the experiments with you, correct? I'm telling you, telling you. Let me tell you. Let me clarity. Let me clear it once for all, so that that confusion should not be there. Okay. Once you have written and you have posted it in the GC and whatever it is, you once everything gets over, hopefully, and and once you come back means you are going to what you are going to take is a printout of whatever you have posted in the GC, correct? And with the bona fide which will be given to you, you have to spiral bind it. That will prove as your record because that should be an uniformity. That's why our head of the department has confirmed this way because many of them have their these things in with their hostel rooms and certain. I'm getting calls like that kind of things only. And also, please tell others, your friends, to join GC in the lab GC also. See, we are trying to help them only. We are not trying to create any hurdles for them. Correct? We are helping them only because this is a situation where it's an extraordinary situation. So we are trying to help them only. So that's why we are flexible now to an extent. I'm telling them in a very manner that this GC is for to help you people only. Because if they have certain doubts means certain other issues bothering them means I mean what we can do, we are trying to help them only. We are helping them only. We are not putting pressure on them, rather we are helping them. Okay, so you can tell them fine. You put them to them in a manner that our staff members are helping, trying to help them only, like that. And tell me, sir. So yes. Mm, you written the entire thing in the record. Okay. Anyway, you keep it that record as a backup just in case if they change. If they say, அதான் நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, what I'm trying to say is, if any notification came like it's okay so to me to have record also with you means keep that record in hand. But main focus will be on the spiral. Ah, ah, okay. So then fine. Then not an issue. If you told like that, then I think you had a meeting. I think that time. Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. With fine, 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 fine. Not an issue. See why I talked about this thing because many of them don't have. And the point of view, I wanted to help them. That's it. Not an issue then. If I have everything ready, means not an issue. Fine. And try to help others to join GC, guys. That's a very important thing. I've been telling them in GC, in Google Class also, and WhatsApp group also. Okay. Any other query? Because I think we can wind it up. Hello? Okay, I have given the shunt and this thing. Na, you that you do one experiment at a time. I think we are giving enough time for you guys to do the experiment, to write the experiment rather. Yes. Is it ரொம்ப hectic இருக்கான்னு கேளு? I'm asking. Is it hectic or is it? Uh, yeah. Because you have other subjects to concentrate also. That's the reason. Fine. keep telling others, inform others to join GC, and try to maximum try to finish it off. But take any help, guys, to others. Just I'm telling the pass some information to others who are not part of the GC. Let them take help from any source, but try to finish off. We are not going to be not say we are not in this regard we are helpful. I'm trying to help them only. Okay, let them take any help of any source. Let them join. Let them not be reluctant not to join. The reluctance say vanda. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, guys. Thank you. Take care. All the best. Thank you very much. Thank you.